We're here with you again with our video titled Get Rich Quick Schemes versus Long-Term Compounding Interest. We would like to compare and contrast these two investment methods and let you guys decide for yourself which method could potentially make you a profit in the long term. Stay with us till the end of this video and allow us to explain a few facts about both of these techniques. Well, the get rich quick schemes tap into our inner ambitions wanting to gain more in life, but in the most convenient, fastest way. If I asked you to give me $500 and in return I will teach you how to make $1 million in 6 months, wouldn't you be tempted? Wouldn't you say, it's not a huge sacrifice, is it? It's a 50-50 either I won't make it or I make it. If I make it though, that's awesome. If I don't make it instead, I've only lost $500. So, then I repeat this request to 1,000 more people and manage to convince half of them to pay me $500 by attempting to show them miracles. This way, I'll be able to make easy $250,000 by simply showing you what you don't know that could be very trivial technique. Then if you can't make it, I'll blame it on you by simply saying, hey, you could not implement my method. Look, I have all these testimonials from Jack, John, and Amanda, and they're all killing it. There's something wrong with you. There's something with the way you're implementing my miraculous methods. These get-rich-quick opportunists have typical punchlines. Almost 9 out of 10 of them start with how poor they've been in life and how they managed to turn around their life by learning these magical techniques. It is as if they have gone to a training how to empathize with audience by saying how they struggled with poverty and usual problems all of us are dealing with in everyday life, and take advantage of our frustrations to turn into an opportunity for themselves. They use day trading techniques where in 40 seconds they made $20,000 and make you believe you could easily do the same thing. They don't show you those days where they lost $30,000 in 20 seconds. Nor do they show you their average monthly return. Remember, the best retail day traders with years of experience and skills are able to make no more than $2,000 a day. I have a lot of friends who are very skilled day traders, and they're talking about their gurus, and they say their gurus are not making no more than $2,000 on average a day. Also, statistics show most novice day traders end up losing rather than winning in the first couple of years of their experience, of their day trading experience. They introduce cutting-edge technology software packs. They're able to predict future and help you with binary options or other 50-50 methods to turn the odds to your favor. So basically say, well, my software is able to turn the 50-50 to 70-30 to your favor because this is an awesome software and that it can model future, it can do magic, and it can help you to turn the odds to your favor by changing the probabilities. But what you might argue that how come a $500 monthly subscription allows me to access such a powerful software? Modeling software packs use supercomputers and are worth millions of dollars. And you know where they are? They're at JP Morgan Bank central office or somewhere in their headquarters, and those guys are using them to turn the market to their favor. What is wrong with what they do? Well, they could be very well telling you the truth. As there could be a few cases in a million folks have become lucky for a few cases and profited big time. Look around you, and I'm sure you know someone around you who've won the lottery or invested in Bitcoin back in the day, and now she or he is a millionaire. But does it work for everyone? Is it realistic and practical? Do majority of people statistically win big time in high-risk investment? If you ask those guys, They're going to tell you, no, no, it's not high risk. Who said it's high risk? I'm asking you to use the proven methods, but I'm twisting it a little bit so that you make more money. But in reality, all of those methods are high risk methods. It has the nature of the method. If it can provide you with high return in such a short time, and it's common knowledge to a few folks, and they're teaching it publicly to people for, let's say, $500 a CD or $1,000 a CD, those methods inherently are high risk methods. We instead offer magical numbers, but coming with learning, with discipline, with patience. It comes with perseverance. This is how Warren Buffett got rich. He used the principle of compounding interest, and with years of discipline and picking the right stocks and reinvesting it, he became one of the top 5 rich people in the world. We said it is possible to acquire 20% annual return taking market newbie, low risk, low return techniques. Well, let's start with $10,000 and turn it into $14,400 in 3 years. The thing is, we see Warren Buffett at the age of 80 something, and we see him as one of the richest people in the world, and we think, wow, he must have used a magical technique to be rich. No, he has spent years of investing and patience, and this is the end result of a man who believed in discipline and who used the right techniques. Continue for 10 years and you will turn your $10,000 to whopping $62,000 from your original capital by only spending 30 minutes a day. Where else can you reliably turn your small capital to 6 times bigger? This simple. Where else can you do this? I mean, there could be other methods, don't get me wrong, but this method with only 30 minutes a day, this is one of the simplest possible methods and most reliable one. But it comes with time, it comes with patience. Well, let's talk about another risk, investing profile. Medium risk, medium return. Take that technique, or the techniques that you will learn for medium risk, medium return, and a 40% annual return, turn your $10,000 into $290,000, $289,000 in 10 years. This is the miracle you should believe in. These are the magical numbers you need to think about. Let me make it even more interesting for you. What if you only add $200 to your initial investment every month? $200 should not be difficult to save every month for your investment business, correct? With low risk, low return, you can turn your $10,000 into $137,000 in 10 years, which is almost 14 times bigger. And with medium risk, medium return, you can turn it into incredible $524,000. You're looking for a miracle? This is the miracle, but it comes with, again, let me reiterate, patience and discipline. Bottom line is, miracles are possible, but so is winning lottery. Like I know a few folks, friends of friends, have won the lottery, and this is reality. It has happened, but how many of us can win the lottery in a lifetime? Those guys who promise you these get-rich-quick schemes or winning $20,000 in 20 minutes or something, they might not be liars. They might be telling the truth. They might not lying to you. But is their method realistic? Can 100 people out of 200 students who purchase their products, can half of them make $20,000 in 20 minutes? Instead, we give you compounding interest. It's not that we're giving you, the compounding interest is there, but I'm just trying to bring it to your attention. Compounding interest promises realistic, fascinating returns if you're willing to put time and effort to it. The numbers at the end of a time line, when you look at the numbers are very interesting. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, go to our website www.marketnewbie.com. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and get our latest videos as we update it into YouTube. These are also our social media web pages: Facebook, Instagram, and Telegram. If you subscribe to these, if you follow these pages and subscribe to these channels, you will also get tons of free stuff. Most important thing for us, and what makes us different from others, is that we are one text message away. You just need to text us and we will be responsive. We want to be your trade path, we want to be close to you, and we want you to be successful at this journey that you started as an investor. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.